Good evening, friends. Today we'll talk about some of the free certification course which is offered by one of the leading consultancy company, TCS, means Tata Consultancy Company. I have given the link in the description. You can go to these courses and check out the courses. The website or division of TCS ION is offering these courses. And the advantage of these courses are these are very practical courses and various courses are free of cost. If you can see, one of the most famous course which there is going on is Career Edge Knock Down the Lockdown. But if you want to see all the popular free courses which relate from communication skills to interview skills, you can go down and you can either refer to this arrow or you can click here for browsing more. And once you will browse here, there will be various number of courses which will come, and you can choose and select your own course. The courses are available from 10th onwards, 10th, 12th, and various levels of courses. Now if you want to see and choose or shortlist some of the courses, you can go by here and shortlist. Like if you can go to the category, they have divided themselves into K-12, vocational, undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate, skill upgrade, professional, teaching, information technology, business management, BFSI. Depending upon your interest, like I am going to business and management because most of my subscribers are from that area. So these are various courses related to business and management, GST, accounting, fundamentals. So you can go to any course and you just have to go and click this subscribe now. Now if you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you to sign up. Now you can create your new sign up or you can log in using the Google account. Once you have logged in through Google account, now you have to log in. Either you can create your own sign up or you can log in through your Google account. It will take the name from there. You have to just choose which state from which you belong to, and you can continue with Google, and it will be logged in to your TCS account. That is as simple as that. So once you are there, it will open up and you just have to click to subscribe. Once you will click to subscribe, you have to just click subscribe now, and then the course will automatically be subscribed and it will start showing in your, are you sure, it will ask you want to subscribe in ICT Academy GST in 90 minutes. If I'll click on confirm on the screen, and it will say that now the course is subscribed, it will be available in my dashboard. Close, and after that you can directly go to the course. It will be showing in your dashboard and you can click here and you can launch the course. Once you launch the course, it will show you that how much course is completed by you. It will show you the chapters and you have to allow this pop up. It will open up the new screen and it will start showing the chapters, and you have to go through those chapters and videos, and once you have done all these chapters, it will be completed and you will get the free certification from the TCS ION. So these are the videos. You have to look in for the videos and you have to complete these videos and you have to go through this, and you can put up your comment also. So similarly, you can choose any course. You do not have to sign up again, and you just have to subscribe your interested courses. So that's all for the day. I hope you will like it and you will do various courses of your choice. Major advantages, it is coming from a reputed company like TCS. You are getting the certification and that too free of cost. If you are liking the information what has been given to you, please like, subscribe my channel, comment and share it with other friends so that they also get benefited. Thank you.